Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Oluwatunseyi channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks for stopping by again. And if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, share and comment in the comment section. Now this morning, okay, of course it's morning in Lagos, Nigeria. Today I'm going to be preparing a meal with just 1,500 naira. This is the 1,500 naira. I'm of course doing a challenge post by Sisi Yemmie, so if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do, and let's see how we can prepare this 1,500 naira meal together. So here is my list. Of course, I won't be going too far since it's just 1,500 naira worth of things I want to buy in the market. I won't be going too far. I'm just going to get something around my area here, so it's not going to be far. In fact, I'm going to trek down to the place. So see you when I return. But for now, let's go to the market. And what else? No. Okay, so you can cut the fish. I thought it's the Ugwu. Okay. How many places? Is that all? So 400, 500, 600, plus 200, 800, 900, 1,120. Total is 1,120. Yes, I'm back from the market. I went to the market with 1,500 naira and I came back with a balance of 30 naira. Well, I'm just going to assume that the salt, the curry, thyme, this is the spice mix I made myself. I'm just going to assume that everything I'm going to use from here will worth about 30 naira. Of course, I'm not going to be using all this. As the case may be, I may be needing maybe 1/8 of a spoon or 1 spoon or 1 teaspoon thereabout. But let's just assume that all the things all the spices that I'm going to be using for the meal today, the preparation of the meal today, is going to worth or cost 30 naira. So I'm going to show you the things I bought now. So over here, I've washed the tomatoes and the pepper, and this is the onions. I cut half. I had half of an onion bulb. It's the blended tomato, onion, half an onion bulb, and pepper. So I'm going to boil my fish now with this. I want to boil my fish now. I want to cook my fish. So this is 1/4, quarter of a teaspoon. Because as I want to measure, I will have used this opening here. So everything. I'll remove the cover and then take 2 of this. 2 of this means half of a teaspoon. That's the thyme. The same measurements. I'm going to take 2 of this. This is the curry. I'm cooking my fish now. This is the spice mix I told you about. Same thing, 2. When I take 2 of these, it means I'm using a half a teaspoon. So this is the salt. Same measurements. So this is the blended onion. This is the blended onion. So I'm going to wait for about 1 minute before I now pour 1 cup. I've measured 1 cup of water here. So I'm going to wait and allow this to steam, the ingredient to steam together with or to marinate, but to marinate under flame. Let me make it a low flame, to marinate it at a low flame. I'm going to rinse and cut because I don't like doing this in the market. I prefer to come back home with it, cut it, wash, and then cut to whatever size that I want. So I'm just going to do all this now. Now I get back to you. I'm going to wash very, very well. I can wash with salt, water, or with vinegar. Yeah, good. So right now I want to add the 1 cup of water. Yes, I'm going to leave it to cook. So that will be all for now about the fish. So now I have washed my vegetable. So I'm going to cut right now. I told you that I'm going to use a half for the vegetable and then half we go for the frying of the stew. So I'm going to cut this, just cut it in, I'm going to chop it in bits. I don't mind using my hand this time around. Remember, I had 2 onion bulbs for 100 naira. So I used half of a bulb to blend these tomato and pepper, and then half was blended for the boiling of the fish. So half is going into the vegetable and another half is going to be diced to fry this stew. So while I'm still waiting for the fish to get cooked, I've put water in the pot for boiling the pasta. So I'm going to wash this. I'll first wash all this with soap before opening. With soap and water before opening. I'm going to wash this back, and then while I'm still waiting, I'm going to clean these carrots. Of course, I washed this before opening, so that's why you see me put everything directly on the pot. put iron over the pot. So this is going to boil. I want to parboil it. So it's going to boil for say 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to remove. I'm going to sieve the water and put in another water. Then put. So this is the seeded sliced tomato, and this is the carrot. But this was the pot I used in boiling the fish, so I still have some fish stock in it. So what I'm going to do, okay, let me show you my deboned fish. This fish has been deboned and also mashed. So what I want to do right now is to put all of this into this pot. And then I'm going to put the mashed fish into the vegetable. Remember, don't overcook your vegetable. Just cover it and allow it to stay for to cook for 2 minutes. I want to make this stew. So this is what I'm going to use to fry the stew. Vegetable oil, this sachet of vegetable oil, so I need to cut it and then I'll use it. So this is the chopped onion. Fine. One over four. This is my 1/4 measuring spoon. So this is curry. So I put 2 each. So next is for my blended tomato and pepper with onion. I'm not going to put salt now, so let's just wait a little to allow it to boil. So let's get back to our stew. Of this, remember this is the 1/4 teaspoon. So I will not be putting too much. So this is okay. So I'm just going to wait a while, like 2 minutes, and then my stew will be ready. Thank you for watching, and thanks for staying through the end of the preparation of that 1,500 naira meal. We had a pasta with vegetable, mashed fish, stew and eggs. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next video.